If your heel hurts when you take your first steps in the morning, plantar fasciitis could be the cause. Plantar fasciitis is the inflammation of the plantar fascia, the tissue in the foot used during walking and foot movement. I see this often with runners, people on their feet all day, or even people wearing unsupportive shoes. These 5 exercises can help stretch the plantar fascia and strengthen the foot. Feel pain in the morning? Let's stretch that calf. Stand against the wall and take a step back with one foot, resting the other one with the toes up against the wall. Gently press into the wall, holding for a couple seconds. Release and switch sides. Really feel that stretch right in that calf muscle of the foot that's against the wall. Stretch your foot like this. While sitting up straight in a chair, gently bring one of your feet to your knee. With the same hand, gently flex and extend your toes. You should really feel the stretch right along the bottom part of your foot. Switch sides. This is also a really good hip stretch as well. Just gently flexing and extending those toes. Let's work on strengthening those toes. Put a towel or a dishcloth on the floor. And with your toes, you're gonna try and scrunch it up best you can. About 10 times. And then try and flatten it out, doing the opposite motion about 10 times. Repeat on the other side. This is really going to help to strengthen those toe muscles to prevent weakness in the feet. Let's roll out that plantar fasciitis. Grab a frozen water bottle. Frozen would be ideal because the ice also will help with the inflammation. And what you're gonna do is place it on the ground and just roll your foot over it, back and forth. This will really help to break up the adhesions in the plantar fascia. Switching sides. Always make sure to do both sides, even if you feel only one foot is affected. You could also use a tennis ball, a lacrosse ball. I just prefer the frozen water bottle. It gives that extra help with the inflammation. Here's the exercise that most people miss. Sit up nice and straight in your chair, with your legs stretched out in front of you, feet flexed towards the ceiling, and just gently lean forward. You'll really feel this stretch in your hamstrings and your calf muscles. You can hold for 10 to 20 seconds. Give yourself a break. If you want a deeper stretch in your hamstring, just lean forward without pointing your toes. If you want a deeper stretch in your calf, just point your toes up towards the ceiling. Plantar fasciitis can be frustrating, but in many cases, the right stretches, strengthening exercises, and proper foot mechanics can make a huge difference. Try adding these movements into your daily routine and see how your foot responds. And if heel pain continues or keeps coming back, it's a good idea to have it properly assessed so we can find the root cause. Thanks for watching this video.